to sign up for GEICO Online Access. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open GEICO's website. Here you'll find Login at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Login at the top right corner of your screen. Then it will pop up this page. Here, click on Login. After you've pressed on Login in here again, it will lead you to this page. Here, on the right side, click on Create an Account. After you've clicked on Create an Account on the right side, it will lead you to this page. Add your mobile phone number. Then, add your date of birth, month, days, and year. After you've added your date of birth, scroll down and at the bottom right corner of your screen, press on Next. After you've pressed on Next, it will lead you to this page. Here, add your policy type, then add your policy number. After you've added your policy number, scroll down, add your first name and your last name and press on Next. And after you do that, it will ask you for your phone number's verification code. Add the code that is sent to your phone number's SMS, and after you do that, your account will be created. This is how to sign up for GEICO Online Access. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.